Uyo kabeiro mwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha nigo asiri obugima bwaye magoroba ya rero ekero ase enyagetari ya Nairobi akubwatikana n'oburere bw'enkoro gose cardiac arrest umurike ito Frida Kerbo otwariganiryo robotru abene koruo koiburwa kwaye Magoha kwika bunabono asiri obugima bwaye.
Professor George Albert Omore Magoha nigo aiburitwe umwaka w'ibweyemo chimikienda 52 ime county ya Kisumu. Nigasomete ase skuru yoboroso ya Yala naboigo akagenda ase skuru ya Starehe naboigo ase college ya Strathmore. Magiga yogokora ebibyonsi nigo anyorete scholarship gochia ase university ya Lagos ime ya Nigeria iliyogosomera medicine. Professor George Magoha nigo abete omo vice chancellor o university ya Nairobi ase omwaka w'ekiribubere na isano wika omwaka w'ekiribubere na 15. Boigo nigo abete omunyakirugu ase body ya surgery ime ya university ya Nairobi. Boigo nigo abete kagokora emirimo na Kenya medical buna practitioner. Professor Magoha nigo anyomete Dr. Barbara Magoha korwa asensemeri ya Nigeria na boigo bagasisenigwa n'umwana yomo yokorwa Michael Magoha. Nigabete Professor asomwaka w'ekiribubere nigo boigo abete omunyakirugo bw'ekyombe getenene tamatemu nek kuri umwaka w'ekiribubere na 15 nemo wiko umwaka w'ekiribubere na 19 boigo nigachoretwe koba omuwaziri kitariki 25 nemo omutinyo gatatu umwaka w'ekiribubere na 19 ase abete gakoba abisi buno muwaziri wika kitariki 25 omutinyo 10 umwaka w'ekiribubere 2022.
I, George Albert Omore Magoha, having been appointed a cabinet secretary in the government of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold this constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic. Colleagues, friends, and learners from education sector and beyond, I'm happy to address you this afternoon my final address on release of examination results to Guy Kenyatta. I want to thank the Almighty God and His Excellency the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta for his wisdom in bestowing me with the responsibility of serving Kenyans both as the chair of the Kenya National Examination Council and cabinet secretary between the years of 2016 and now. As I wind up my tenure as cabinet secretary under this administration, I look back at the privilege I have been accorded to transform the way the national examinations are conducted and broader education sector reforms with a lot of appreciation and satisfaction. Through my journey at NEC under the ministry, many successes, particularly on the conduct of national examinations, have been registered through the multi-agency approach. In this regard, I wish to positively recognize and acknowledge the following. Number one, the Almighty God who has given us life, strength, and wisdom to champion these examination reforms. Number two, His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta for his strong leadership, guidance, and stewardship in this regard. Number three, CS for Interior and Coordination of National Government, Dr. Fred Okengo Matiani, for the key role that he played, especially towards the initiation of these processes.
Magega yoko gendanga buna omuwaziri w'ekisemi nigo asoete ase university ya Maseno buna koba professor ase department ya School of Medicine. Professor George Magoha nigo asiririe obugima bwaye ase enyagitari ya Nairobi kabwate emiaka 52 noyomo ase omo CEO bwenyagitari eyo James Nyamori abagakoene kibuna nigo abusiretie obugima bwaye kubwatikana n'oburaire bwa cardiac arrest. Omoberoye nigo bekire ase ngendu ya Lee Funeral Home. Ntubuna egetaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo twarure engora ito ya bene guchia ase ya mate ya Magoha.
No wako konene bono asense ya Kenya asokumusiria omurai bwerwete kegima gokorera abananchi emeremo natiga omone nabeke omuberoye ase aororo. Bia mono muri keito Frida